Good morning everyone. I'm back in my channel. Kain tayo guys. Today is my brunch time. Kasi alam nyo, diba, may appointment ako ngayon. Yay! I'm going to show you my food for today. Lunch na, kaya brunch na tayo. Filled with iced coffee, guys. Okay. Yay! Iced coffee tayo, guys. Hello, every one of you back there. Hello, Philippines. Hello, Miss Universe, all the universe people and all over the world. Ito, I'm back in my channel. Alam nyo kung bakit. I went to see my doctor kasi I've told you, healthy first. Kaya tayo ngayon damo, grass. We're gonna eat grass, guys. Ay, I forgot to tell you my food for today. Ito pa yung sobra ko with my anak last time. Hindi niya natapos kasi he went immediately in China. Okay? Ito ang brands ko ngayon. Dalawa ha. Sinati ko na lang muna. Kasi ang boyfriend ko, pinagluto ako ng sandwich. Ano tawag dito? Slice of bread. Simple lang ang bread ko, guys. Ito ang pagkain natin kasi we are healthy. Eat tayo, guys. Kain na tayo. Let's drink with that. Okay, kape tayo ng cold. Let's drink also. Alam ko lunch na dyan sa Pilipinas. Baka tapos na rin. Hello, Marilu Calibuso. How are you? We're having breakfast and lunch together. Tugnan mo. Oh, look at this. Morning. Yes, morning and good afternoon in a few more minutes. Okay. Kape muna tayo ng cold. I want to see my doctor. Kaya ako na late ngayon na mag-vlog. Alam nyo na, busy si Lola. Pag busy si Lola, sorry guys, hindi ko masyadong nakikita itong mata ko. Ganun talaga ang Jutanders na, guys. I just arrived back home. Dito pa si Mister nagluluto at pinagluto ako ng hindi naman luto, just lang sa palayok, all in one, all together. Yung kumakain siya, ayaw niyang makipag-vlog sa akin kasi busy daw siya. Maybe later, stay tuned, marami pang days, we gonna mukbang with my husband and my mom pretty soon. Kaya ayun. Hello, sweet Sarah Butcher, Amanda. Hello, how are you? Happy lunch tayo ngayon, but I'm having brunch. How are you today? Ito. Look at this. Ito ang this is our stock for this month. Kasi nagpapataba si Lola. Oh, binaliktad ko lang yun how I wish to be. But I'm trying to be healthy. Kaso nga lang, we cannot avoid itong pagkain ni Lola ngayon because we ate, told you, hindi ako, nagpa-blood test pala ako kanina. I went to see my doctor for blood taking. So, since last night, masunurin ako. Since 7 o'clock, hindi na ako kumain. 7 o'clock ba? Oh, 7:30. I didn't eat anything except water. So, until now, talagang tiniis kong hindi kumain. So, after the blood taking around 10:30, I've been roaming around somewhere and then buy all these things. Gusto kong kumain sa labas, but I better eat at home para naman healthy palagi. This is, guys, today is Tuesday. Tuesday. Working day na pala. Yesterday it was off. Ng mga taon. Off ko din, guys. Ito na ang lunch ko. Pagkain ito ng mga kagaya ko. Pero this is really still heavy. Kaya so nga lang, cheat day nga. Pinagbigyan na ang sarili. Di ba healthy tayo ngayon? And you know what? I lose at least 1 pound. I'm happy for 1 week. 1 pound lang, guys. And my doctor said you have to be confident daw. Sige lang daw. Because of my health. We need to be healthy. But you can eat everything but not too much. That's my dietary doctor mentioned about these things. You can eat everything, ice cream every day, but it's only a little bit. Not one big box of ice cream, Coke soda, fatty thing, rice full of meat. No, you can eat anything you want as long as just for testing. Kaya guys, even in inyo, you can also eat anything you want para naman tayo hindi ma-deprive sa mga pagkain. Kainin natin lahat. Kaso nga lang, not the whole afternoon, the whole day na kumakain tayo ng unhealthy food. We can also eat chips. Corn chips, french fries, but at least 1 or 2 pieces lang daw. Wow! You have to resist those things kasi talagang if you want to live longer, stay healthy, live stronger like me, you have to behave our mouth. For eating, sabi nga nila, gutom na. Kumain ng alas 7, alas 9:30, gutom na. Do you believe that? That is only for thinking. Thinking lang yun, guys. Try mo. Kung talagang may puso, you have a heart attack na, yung mamatay ka na bukas, ayaw mo pang mamatay. I'm sure hindi ka pa gutom ng 1 day. Kasi, iniisip mo, mamatay ka na nga, kain ka pa ng kain. Kaya, try to think, not just you say hungry. Just like kids, they will eat at home first before they go out, right? Pagpunta nila ng supermarket, Mommy, I like this. I'm hungry. Mommy, I like that. I'm hungry. Kasi nakikita nilang masasarap yung nasa labas, right? Kagaya din natin. That's why, healthy first. If you think you are hungry, the stomach say hungry, not the brain is hungry. Guys, you have to think that. Hello, Miss Jennifer Valdez from Mastok. How are you today? I'm having brunch for today. Look at this. Matapos ko niyang matapos. How's everybody out there? I hope you all guys in good condition. Just came from doctor. Doctor lang tayo, guys. Kasi mahirap na hindi healthy. Healthy tayo lahat, guys. So, how's everybody out there? Please join me eating also. Please get some food and join with me. Makita nyo na lang ako. May appetite na kayo. Peace! Love you all! Mga konslabida, comment lang, guys. I love you all. Ganun talaga. Ano pa masabi ko, guys? Para akong na-distract ngayon. Miss Jennifer Valdez, how are you? Kain tayo ulit. Kasi this is my treat food for the few hours. I think more than 10 hours akong hindi kumain from, I think just say 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock until now. In the last night. So, pagbigyan si Lola, kainin ang lahat with the big box of big jar of peanut butter. Wow, ha! Kainin ko lahat. Hi, Miss Reina Rose Echeverre, how are you? Nakamod ako ngayon, guys. There you go. Malapit ko nang matapos tong kinakain ko. I love you all. How I wish to be there to see you guys. So guys, parang true guys. Let's drink. I don't drink coffee, pero pag ice, I do. Apo nagpintasin kan kamsat. Oh, how I wish to be beautiful night. Tignan mo na yun. Kasi ko lang ang jibuukon, guys. Nanta kayon. Mamimistak lang nga talaga. Miss din ko kayo. Uraya lang na. How to say? Uraya lang nag-dry. Nakita ko kayong lahat. I love you all. Ay, nasano. All healthy more. Uy, Jatanders na ang lola nyo, citizen na siya. Kaya I need to eat all this healthy food kasi mahirap na. Mahirap na, sabi na nga ni boyfriend. Paano na kung nawala ako? Kain tayo ulit tomato, guys. Very, very sweet. Kaya nga, live longer. Eat healthy food. Ito mamaya. Diba sa atin, if we have the favorite one, we will eat it at the end. Totoo ba yun? Totoo nga, right? That's me. Kasi alam nyo na, si Lola, ganito kumain. Guys, hindi na kukunaring ganon-ganon. Wala namang carne dito. Hi, Miss Glory Daos. Glory Daos, ang patasya, Madam Miss ka dito yung marketplace. Oh my God, marketplace! We'll see you there again. Pag nagpunta akong mag-shopping, I'll be there. Guys. Oh, namimiss nyo na ako dyan sa marketplace. Ang problema nga ano na, retirees na tayo. So, ganun talaga. We'll see you again. Maybe welcome again. I'll go there and see you all once and for all. I have a part-time job next to the peak. So, pupunta pa rin ako dyan. Makikita ko kayong lahat, guys. I love you. Ano, kumusta na? Kumain na ba kayo? Join me eating my lunch. Sarap, guys. Animal eat grass like me. Diba? Kain na rin tayo. Kaya ano, ito na lang, ginaganon ko na lang ang pagkain para naman makontra itong tinapay ko. Filipino, guys, hinahawakan. Oh, maybe I wash my bread first, right? Pero makol lang. Filipino wash bread. I'll show you. Ganito ako, lalo na pag soft na yung tinapay. How to say? Hard na palang tinapay, yes. I normally hold the bread with coffee, but I don't drink coffee. I put with Coca-Cola and eat it like this. It's really nice. Kasi nung bata ako, I don't know if I drink milk. Hindi ko alam, baka susulang ni inang ko ajay. Awang pa'y kwartami, guys. So nga, asto iti mga anti-Pilipino. Yes, you have to umpisa having a healthy food also, guys. Para naman, sexy tayo palagi. Not just sexy, I don't care about sexy. Healthy. Kasi yung sexy, kahit kagaya kong pangit, sexy pa rin. Lalo sa gabi, right? Ano kaya yun? Lahat tayo sexy. Lalo na pag no lights, right? Kaya wag lang mag-alala dun sa sexy-sexy na yan. Yes! Hello, Miss Glory Daos. I'm enjoying the food. Please eat also, guys. Magluto pa lang ako. Oh, yes, yes. Why not? Okay, thank you for watching then, Miss Daos. Luto-luto muna. Baka magalit si amo, ako pang pagalitan. Diba? Kaya, okay, luto-luto muna. At I have to continue my dipping bread in my cold coffee. Kasi nung bata kami, wala pa lang pambili ng kape. Buti na lang, hindi ako sanay kape kasi mahirap ng mahal ang kape pala. Kaya, good. I never get used to drink coffee. Tsaka alam niyo na, guys, maliit pa ako nung wala na ako ng Pilipinas. Hindi ko pa alam ang left and side, kaya how can I say that bobo talaga ako. I don't know about these things. Luto-luto na muna ng lunch, Miss Agpalsa. So, okay, go ahead. So, enjoy cooking also, and I'm enjoying my eating my own lunch. Alam nyo na, malapit ko nang maubos, guys. See? So, talk more. Kaya, ganun talaga. Ito ko nang, yun. I love it. What is my aura? Ganun pa rin, see? Gusto ko yung aura mo ngayon sa parang bumata. Dati naman ako si sister naman, nanloko pa. Yes, you have to. Kasi sister, di ba ang kalabaw hindi tumataba, hindi pumapayat because they only eat this. Hindi sila kumakain ng karne ang kalabaw, right? Yes, so try to eat this one para din tayo tataba. Pero kung gusto mong firstly be fit, sasabihin ko sa'yo, i-hire mo lang yung architect ko. Malalaman mo kung sino. Gusto mo? Message me back. Yun lang. Yun lang ang the best. Ang bilis. Isang linggo, wala ka na nito. Aki nga eh. Aki ke. Yun ang rason. But I love it. Talagang nag-ano rin ako kasi my doctor insisted that I have to lose at least 5.5 pounds more. So that is around 3 kilos. So, ang hirap talaga. So, isang titing na lang ako kung sakali. Diba? Pero ang laki ko pa rin. Lalo na pag nasa bahay, you have to be very comfortable. Lalo na pag nakataas yung mga upo, yung mga paang ganyan. This is the way we sit, right? Tapos nag-iisip ka pa, kailan kaya ako maging milyonarya kung nakaupo ka lang dyan? Diba? Yung mga taong parehas kong ambasyosa, bato-bato sa langit, yung bang nagdi-dream lang na gano'n, okay na, nakit de. Apay nga tata nagmamayaman da, di damat nga bumakna, di ako mo bumakbaknan. Kasi ano nga ngamin, nagsagot kami, ang trabaho ka ngamin, ba't no bumaknang kamot? Kas dela ti biyag. Awan tibik nang nangan matutuusan ngamin, ang baknang, hindi natin nadadala yun, guys. Kaya yun, enjoy life when we can. Pero naman, kung may konting ganyan ka, huwag naman ng gastos. Sisipin mo naman, bukas, mga lawa, di rin natin alam. Ako na nga lang tingnan nyo, I even come back home to eat my food kasi wala akong pambili ng pagkain sa labas. Iniisip ko, pagkakain ako, uuwi ako, kakain na naman ako, that's me. Kasi yung brain ko, gutom palagi, hindi yung stomach ko, gutom palagi. I just came from my doctor. So, guys, kain na tayo ulit. So, that's it for today's. I love you all. Kasi, may work din ako mamaya, 3 to 6. Kaso nga lang, I've told you, baka hindi, baka woko. Hi, Sly Echeverry. How are you there in Canada? How are you? Shout out to all Canadian people. How are you? Hope to see you and miss you and see you all there soon. Wow, hot, parang true. Yes, I'm having my lunch brunch at the moment. There you go. I'm nearly finished. Close to the limit na ako. Talagang tapos na to. This is grass. You know, you all guys eating grass back to Canada. So, there you go. Grass na naman. Kasi, when we were younger, like those kids now, we hate eating grass, right? Ang gusto natin noon, karni. Wala na nga pambili ng karni, nagdidream pa tayo. Malagip yun ba? Yung nasa Pilipinas, nasa bundok ako, pag may kasalan, Hindi kasi uso ang Sharon nun eh. Kung ulo lang ang Sharon, sana nagdala din ako ng supot para may Sharon din akong the following day. Hindi uso ang Sharon ngayon. Yes! Hope to see you in Canada soon. Hopefully there. Kaya, nagdi-dream na lang ako. So, hope to see you back in the Philippines. And, you know, ayoko pang mag-imbita kasi wala pa eh. Hope to see you, guys. Kaya, thanks for watching and stay tuned all the time for more updates. Kaya, guys, that's all for today yata ako. Pero, keep going, guys. Kung meron pa akong masabi, yun lang. Kasi amoy ang istorya man lang inin ngamin ti rigrigat na tibiyang tayo din ngamin niya Pilipinas. Wala pang ang makain tinapay. And I'm just wondering that yung mga tinapay na, because we have a very small store before, yung mga tinapay na ganito, okay na, I cannot eat this one na. Maybe this one for my balon. Mamaya balunik ko dahil part-time ko. Ngamin, ubing kami. Wala man lang tinapay, tapos yung store namin may bulok. Nire-recycle pang maging biscuits. Bakit ganun? Eh dito tinatapon lang. Pwede pa nga akong mamulot. Hindi lang ako nahiya dyan sa may superstore dito sa tabi namin. Magbabasura din ako ng pagkain. Ang dami-dami kayang pagkain tinatapon din. Kasama ko yung mga parehas ko ring beggars, diba ba? Nahiya lang ako sa inyo, but maybe one day, kasi wala naman na akong trabaho, probably I'll do that also. Like Auntie Roning. Auntie Roning also is doing that. It's good. Hindi mo naman ninanakaw ang mga pagkain na yun, guys. Hindi na pwedeng magnakaw ang kinakain kasi bawal. At nakakayang magnakaw, guys. Hindi mo yun, you cannot escape with that, you know. Kasi ang nakaw, magnanakaw talaga. Ganun yun. Yeah! Tignan nyo. Malapit na akong matapos sa mga kinakain ko. Kaya guys, musta na lang kayo dyan. Hopefully, tapos na yung life nyo dyan sa Pilipinas. Malapit na naman ang trabaho. Hopefully, the weather is good there. Here is a bit cloudy. But it's really very hot. See me guys, I only use like this kind of clothes at home. Ito na yung uniform kong magluto mamaya din afternoon. Mag-vlog din ako maybe later. Kaso nga lang, may trabaho ako ngayon. Ngayon. Yeah, I'm moving ka. Ay na, lahi natin yan guys. Sino bang Echeverring pangit? Ay, bato-bato langit. Yan, ang mukha nating mga Echeverry, guys. Echeverry ka pa rin, uri yung may bagbagang. Diba? Ganun talaga, guys, ang magaganda. Oh, sorry, guys. Kunwari ko lang yun kung sino man masaktan dyan. Sorry, that's the real talk. Real talk lang tayo, guys. Mga Echeverry dyan, alam nyo lang, ibig kong sabihin, kung sino man ang kontrabida, I love you all. Peace be with you kung sakali man lang. Medyo mahaba-haba na tong vlog na ito. So, it's fine. If you wanna watch, it's still fine. Guys. Yes! Kasali ka din dun, guys. Kung sino ang Echeverry, yun pa rin. Diba? Magagandang Echeverry. How are you, those people from my place, Ilocos? I love you all. Hope to see you again. There's the Echeverry family in Ilocos Norte, Manila, and all over the world, especially Hawaii. I love you all. Hope to see you guys. I know we all relatives, kaya no bashing. Pero kung bash lang, okay lang. I still love you guys. I expect for more. And then, it's time for me to finish my fruits. Kasi, it's time to go na yata. May naririnig na akong naghuhugas. Siyempre, naya naman akong walang ginagawa. Did you hear that? Yun ang boyfriend ko. Kasi super, ano sa? He's really good in cleaning, everything, washing. So, gonna clean the toilet again. And here I am doing these things again. This is my baon for my tea time later. Hope to see you. Magbablog ako siguro. Ewan ko lang kung anong oras ako matapos sa homework, sa part-time ko. It's just around the corner here. Kasi every time tinatawag ako. Pero, ayun. Sabi niya, hapon daw. So, ewan ko kung anong hapon. I'm gonna call her. Kasi yun ang trabaho natin. Part-time na lang, guys. Para maganda ang buhay at babata tayo. Okay. There you go. I love you all. So, people from Ukapon, Sawmill, Piazza, Ibong, whatever, not beaten. Ano pa, saan ba? Ang Villa Verde na lang, guys. Villa Verde is my life. Wow! Come on down. Villa Verde, Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines, all over the universe. I love you all. Bye and see you later. Okay? Have a nice, good afternoon to everybody. Please, please don't forget to pray and love your more. Love your husband. Love your wife and love your neighbors. I love you all. See you later. Bye. See you later.